Hello everyone, today we'll have a new lesson about ICT project for social change. There are 5 elements of a concept paper. Before starting your project, your group should be able to do necessary paperwork. This allows experts to see if your project is doable over the time frame that was given and if it is significant enough to be made into reality. First, the introduction includes tour, group's mission and vision, and a brief introduction of your project, followed by a purpose, includes the reasons why this project is worth your group and your sponsors' time, effort, and money. Next is the description that includes all the necessary information about the project. In ICT, it involves the sites you are going to produce and the purpose of each and how they work in unison. Followed by support that contains the budget needed for the project. Some concept papers do not specify any amount requested from the sponsor. And the contact information that includes information on how the group can be contacted. There's simplified ICT project process overview. First, planning. Involves the following tasks but not limited to: conceptualizing your project, researching on available data about your topic, setting deadlines and meetings, assigning people to various tasks, finding a web or blog host, creating a sitemap for tour website, listing down all applications that you need including web apps, and funding if applicable. Next process is the development that involves the actual creation of the websites, involves the production of images, infographics, and so on. Then release and promotion that involves the actual release of the website for public view and promoting it. Promotion typically starts before the actual release. Then the maintenance, which involves responding to feedback of your site visitors and continuing to improve your website. So that's all for the discussion about ICT project for social change. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.